Weight management is a complex and multifaceted challenge that many individuals face in today's society. Among the numerous dietary approaches, two popular options are low-carb and low-fat diets. Both claim to promote weight loss, but they operate on different principles and affect the body in distinct ways. In this comparison, we will delve into the effectiveness of these diets, exploring their mechanisms, potential benefits, and limitations to help you make an informed decision. Low-carb diet. A low-carb diet emphasizes reducing the intake of carbohydrates, such as sugars and starches, while increasing the consumption of proteins and fats. By limiting carb intake, the body is forced to use fat as its primary energy source, leading to a state called ketosis. In this state, the body breaks down stored fat into ketones, which are then used for fuel. The low-carb approach aims to stabilize blood sugar levels and minimize insulin spikes, which could reduce hunger and support fat burning. Effectiveness. Numerous studies have shown that low-carb diets can be effective for weight loss. By reducing carb intake, people often experience reduced hunger, leading to a natural decrease in overall calorie consumption. Additionally, the shift in the body's metabolism towards fat utilization can result in more efficient fat. Benefits. Appetite control. Many individuals on low-carb diets report feeling less hungry, which may lead to reduced calorie intake. Rapid weight loss. The initial weight loss phase in a low-carb diet can be relatively quick due to water loss associated with decreased glycogen stores. Limitations. Sustainability. Some people may find it challenging to adhere to a strict low-carb diet in the long term due to its restrictive nature. Nutritional imbalance. Eliminating certain carb-rich foods may lead to deficiencies in essential nutrients if not adequately compensated through other dietary sources. Low-fat diet. A low-fat diet, on the other hand, focuses on reducing the intake of dietary fats while increasing the consumption of carbohydrates and, in some cases, proteins. The idea behind this approach is that fats are calorie-dense, and limiting their consumption will lead to a reduction in overall calorie intake. Effectiveness. Low-fat diets have been historically recommended for weight loss, but their effectiveness has been a subject of debate. Some studies suggest that they might not be as successful as initially thought, particularly when compared to low-carb diets. Benefits. Heart health. A low-fat diet, especially when it emphasizes healthy fats, can have positive effects on heart health by reducing cholesterol levels. Balanced macronutrients. Lowering fat intake can lead to a higher intake of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, providing a well-rounded nutrient profile. Limitations. Hunger and satiety. Low-fat diets may not always be as filling as low-carb diets, potentially leading to increased snacking and higher overall calorie consumption. Insulin response. High carbohydrate intake can cause rapid spikes in insulin levels, which may contribute to increased fat storage. However, the effectiveness of low-carb versus low-fat diets for weight loss depends on various factors, including individual preferences, metabolic differences, and adherence levels. Both approaches have shown promising results for some individuals, but long-term success largely depends on finding a sustainable dietary pattern that promotes a healthy and balanced relationship with food. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.